Hi, my name is Dorothy and I work at San Luis Obispo Public Library, and today I am going to show you how to make chocolate ice cream, sort of. This is an AIP recipe, which if you know what AIP is, then you know there won't be any chocolate and there won't be any cream. We'll be doing other things instead. If you don't know what AIP is, it is autoimmune protocol, and it is, you can find out more about it by coming down to San Luis Obispo Library or going online and placing a hold on a recipe book or a book with information about that diet. And what else? Oh, this recipe calls for bananas, carob, and coconut milk. So that's what I'm going to show you right now. You're going to take about 5 pieces of frozen banana this size, which is about 1 banana, a little bit more, and cut it into slices that are about ½ inch thick, and that's going to make about 2 servings of ice cream. Or 1 big serving for people who really like it, like me. And it gives you 1 piece for leftover for your dog too, because dogs like frozen banana. Mabel, you want this frozen banana? There you go. What a good dog, being so quiet. For now. And then I'm going to add 1 heaping tablespoon of carob powder. It's going to be about like that. And I'm going to put that in here. And I'm also going to add coconut milk, which I've thinned out just a little bit with some water. And I'm guessing that that's probably going to be 3 tablespoons, 2, 3. You could start with 2 and then see if it's having issues with getting everything to come together, then I would add 1 more tablespoon of coconut milk. But don't go too much, because then you guys start adding more banana and more carob powder in, and then you're gonna be feeding 6 or 7 people pretty soon. So I would start off small with the coconut milk. Okay, so then I'm gonna go ahead and let this rip, and I'll meet you back here in like 2 minutes, I'd say, to show you what it looks like. Hi. So I did end up letting it process for about 2 minutes, and this is what I came out with. What kind of looks like soft serve chocolate ice cream, if you can see that, but it's delicious. If we had added just a little bit more coconut milk, then it would have come out even softer, and you could go a little bit further with coconut milk, and then you could make milkshakes, which is pretty delicious too. So there's that, and it looks and tastes like soft serve ice cream. You're really gonna be impressed, I think. Oh, and I lied, sorry, but we are having cream, but it is whipped coconut cream, so it's still AIP compliant. And all I did to make that was I chilled a can of coconut cream overnight, and you basically open up the can, take the solid coconut, and get rid of the coconut water that's in the can, and then whip the cream. And you can sweeten it as much as you like. I put about ½ teaspoon of honey in mine, and that's it. So here we go. It's chocolate AIP ice cream with coconut cream topping. pretty good. I think we're gonna eat the whole glass. All right, thanks for watching. I'll see you at the library.